Hello there, student. My name is Cody, and I am a temporary teacher. Now be a good student and answer these questions. No, you stupid. That is not the correct answer. Try again, but better. Alright, young one. Because you didn't learn, I'll punish you with detention. Alright, young one. My anger issues are really bad today, and you're pushing me to my limit. And, you know what? People who do this stuff need punishments, but not just simple detention.
Oh, how unfortunate. Oh, how unfortunate. Since I know you can put up a fight, I'll add a new contender to your ring.